host of Chevy Soundcheck, brought to you by Mid-America Chevy Dealers and Chevy Music Showcase. I'm so glad to have you on for our first episode. We're heading to Newtown, St. Charles right now to interview a band called the Madison Letter. We are taking the awesome 2013 Chevy Cruze. This car is super duper slick. Just look awesome and I feel awesome. The legroom is amazing. I can actually fit in this car. I've got MyLink, I've got the Pioneer speaker system. We're throwing some Madison Letter while we are on the way.
I can have a little time with her. Give me eyes for the breakers and I can try to make her mine. Woo!
All of us met actually in college. Now Tyler, our drummer, like what I was doing, and ended up, adding the other guys. Coming up with a band name is like the hardest part. I was kind of messing around with, using the word letter, and then our guitarist Phil had really liked the name Madison. I googled James Madison quotes, and we found a quote by him that he said when he was in office that pretty much said, if the country didn't follow God, it would follow God.
You couldn't play music, like if you woke up and you couldn't sing, you couldn't write songs, what would your next choice in life be?
It's gonna crack you up. I would actually be a herpetologist and study reptiles and amphibians. I bet you I'm the only person that you know that has a professional snake hook and snake tongue in the back of the car. I love Steve Irwin when he was on TV and all this stuff, and I used to watch him religiously every day.
You know it didn't end so well for him, right?
That's a touchy subject. Don't go there.
What's your plans for 2013?
We're graduating in May. One of us has already graduated last December, but the other three of us are graduating in May. So we just affiliated with a college booking agency, so we're really looking forward to getting kind of in that market and being able to actually, instead of go to school, go to schools.
Yeah.
A lot of big stuff, coming up. We've been blessed with a lot of opportunities. It's gonna be a fun year.